Okay guys, so I'm set up here with my Rover RH Blue, Reach Blue, and we want to make sure that we have our settings correct. So there's a couple settings that you need to have correct in your settings for your Rover, and then when you go into the Emlid Flow app, there's another setting that you have to set. And it's really important that you get these set correctly, because if you mess any of it up, it isn't going to work. You're gonna collect your data, but it's not gonna import properly into Trimble Business Center. So we're gonna go into logging on our receiver, and we're gonna hit the gear, and we want to make sure that the HI0 and the marker name is blank. It's really important that's true, because you want to pull your HI and your marker name out of your Flow app, out of the survey screen in the Flow app. Okay, so that looks good to me. I'm gonna go ahead and hit apply. And then you need to start recording. Okay, so we're recording a Rhinex log with no marker name, and what's going to happen is when you import this into TBC, and we'll do a video of that too, it's going to import roving segments when you're moving, and actual PPK PPK sessions when you're stationary. Okay, so now we're logging. Now we're going to go over to our survey screen. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the test project. And what we want to do, we're going to hit the plus here. Actually, we're going to connect to our receiver first. It looks like it's connected. So we're going to hit the plus. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my point number here. And this is a sanitary sewer manhole. Okay, but it's really important that you hit the gear here, and you don't want to collect with the fix only. You want to make sure that's turned off, okay? Because if it's not turned off, if this is turned on, you're not gonna get your data, because your PPK data is not fixed, because we're not running RTK. So you got to make sure that's off. Okay, and I've got this set up for 30 seconds. So we're gonna go ahead and measure. Okay, so we've stored our observation now. So that's how your PPK workflow runs. And then when you're done with your PPK for the day, you come back over to receivers on your Rover, you go into logging, and you're gonna stop that recording, and it'll compress your Rhinex file, and then you do the same thing on your base. And that should be it. You should be able to get your PPK data into Trimble Business Center.